Good morning and welcome back to the channel.
So today we're at Disneyland. So if you're new to our channel, we've been now living in our van for a month and we literally left the UK and came to Europe. So this is the final leg of our tour. If you want to watch, please go back and check out our other videos.
But today we're at Disneyland. Should we go in?
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's their 30th year anniversary and the kids can't wait to get in. Let's go.
Popular tourist attraction in the whole of Europe.
Yeah, I can see why. This place is amazing.
It's magical, isn't it?
I haven't stopped smiling, have I, love?
Oh no, wait. Mum?
Yeah?
You might want to look at in the flowers. It's Mickey Mouse!
Oh yeah! Should we go and have a look at that? Wow, Dex, you look really handsome.
Dex, that seriously suits you.
Have you found a mirror? There's a mirror just behind you. Go and have a look.
Yeah,
this is the Nightmare Before Christmas. You can wear this all year.
Look at that. It does look cool.
I love that.
These are cute, Mum.
They are cute. We'd be matching, wouldn't we?
Wait, Mum. You like this female top?
Yeah.
Bag and hat?
I spy Elsa stuff.
Where?
I knew you'd like that. I like that actually. That's really nice.
I believe.
Good taste, Amelia.
I like the outfit.
That's lush, that is.
Mum, I like the
Yeah, that's cool. Selfie Disneyland Paris.
Yeah. Look what I just spied
What have you just
on the ceiling. Who's that?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, that was
Look up there.
He looks better.
Yeah.
Look at that. I crown the Queen, Amelia.
You look like you.
Just found something for the hubby.
Can I have that?
We've been looking for this.
I want to build.
Nah, we're building this for Daddy. Hubs.
We found it.
We're totally buying it, right?
That's class.
Hello. One my son.
Love it.
So we stayed at the Disney Resort car park last night. It's €45 for the night or €10 if you're an annual pass member. However, there are no motorhome services here. The bonus of staying here is you can visit the Disneyland Village for free and start getting into the real spirit the day before. It was a bit noisy last night, but we're right on the doorstep. So it's their 30th year anniversary. They've got 30 celebrations everywhere. It was a bit of a headache getting in here because I hadn't downloaded the tickets on my phone properly. So make sure you download the QR code because you need it to get in. The man but's a little bit stressed. Hi, Nikki!
No.
This is the main street, so you've got shops each side and the castle. Got all the gift shops and sweet shops and food are all at each side. What do you think, Amelia?
Well done.
Even Oliver's smiling. Look at those cute faces. How pretty is this, Amelia?
Can I
Yeah.
Where's the money?
Look, it's Jack and the Beanstalk's house. Me and Oliver on a ride. We get scared of rides.
We put the two pussies together.
I can't say that. Dexter's on his own. And there's Daddy at the back. Woo! Don't go too high though, I'm a wimp.
I'm not going high. I'm just gonna go like 1 centimetre up.
Thank you and enjoy your
I'm gonna hit those barriers.
Come on then. It's making me feel sad.
Mum and Dad is all the way up. But Dexter's not even up. Dexter's doing that. Dexter's here.
I had to sit this one out because I know in true ruck pack style they're going to spin it round and round really fast now. So this section is all the space rides. So we've got Star Wars Hyperspace Mountain, where it's basically a rocket that shoots you up into the sky. So that's where the Man-Bat and Dexter have gone. We've got one there in the middle, no idea what that is. The Buzz Lightyear rides, lots and lots. So they've split Disneyland into like sections. So there's like a Toy Story area. Why are you back for?
The queue's massive. I'm not going to make you stand here waiting for about 40 minutes.
I don't mind. You crack on by there. There's a parade
No,
queue at quarter past.
it's everyone's day. We'll go somewhere and have some fun. Come on.
Come back later, is it?
Yeah, if it's quieter later, we'll come back.
So that's what
That
we're
show
noticing.
starts in 10 minutes.
Well, that's what I was going to say. If you want to go on the ride, I'll go and watch the show with Amelia. Although she's not come with us, look.
She's coming.
The other thing that we've noticed is if you're going to come for one day, then you need to get in really, really early because the queues are quite long, aren't they?
Yeah, and they build up very quick.
Failing that, you'd be better off booking 2 days if you can, because then you can do a bit of something one day and whatever you don't get to do, you can do then the next day. But this place is just magical, it's fabulous. Don't mind a bit of waiting, I suppose it's expected. What I'm loving so much is all the little shows they put on throughout the day. I say they're little, they are really spectacular. And wait till you see this.
So now, are you ready for the ride?
Spin around.
Concentrate
Jump.
and shine brighter.
You enjoy that, love?
Oh, I'm like a big kid. I love it.
She's enjoying it more than the kids, so
Yeah.
they just want to go on the ride.
Yeah, they're all like that. I thought it was brilliant.
That was good. So that was a special 30-year anniversary show.
Yeah, they're doing them all throughout the day, and that's not even the big parade yet. So, wow, the day's just getting better and better. Look at all the Lion King stuff. Oh, wow, look at that.
What? Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
What's it mean?
Ain't no passing parade.
They're brilliant.
But it means no worries for the rest of your days.
Oh, look at those
Kids aren't
blankies.
amused.
Lion King blankies.
€30 blankies. They can stay there.
Yeah, be short of a few bob after coming here. It's still wicked though. Right, Kitty, should we go see what we can find in here?
Right.
Yeah, we do need rides now, don't we? Oh, so this is like a country and western sign.
Yeah.
This is
Hello, Lucky Nugget.
the Lucky Nugget. Plenty of cafes.
Lucky nugget.
Don't need one now though, love. We just stuffed our faces.
Stuffed now. I am very happy.
And you.
Time to play.
Yay!
And also
Ice
we're
fire
going.
roller coaster.
Also this, we're going on Space Mountain.
Shall we go on that one?
Yeah, we're going
Come on
on
then.
it. We gotta go find it.
I'm not going on it.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, honestly, that one's nothing.
I need to bring my.
He'll really enjoy that.
To be fair, me and Oliver are right sissies when it comes to rides, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just went on that one. It was horrendous. If you've got little kids, don't go on it. It was a scary ass ghost house. We've got tears.
What makes you skin?
Not good. It's not a Rolling Rucks video if we haven't got a boat in it.
Look at that guy.
No one's got to see this one.
No, the man butt's absolutely shattered. He needs to sit down, so we've jumped on the boat so we can sit down for more than 2 minutes.
Oh, wait.
Oh look, it's a Snow Dwarfs.
This one's linked to Snow White. Wait, I see Sven's ugly lady.
Oh yeah, the witch, look, with her apple. Can you see her?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh. And Villa. And for mine.
That's not very nice, is it?
Of what?
That's the little mermaid, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Where is she? Did you find it?
Can you see Ariel?
No. I do see money, but not Ariel. I see it.
Where?
Perry Lou. Yeah, Perry Lou. It says. I don't know that one. Me neither.
Oh, look who's
Wait,
there.
the genie. Genie.
It's got to be Aladdin.
The genie.
It's the lamp. our Disney day. We hope you've enjoyed the video. We've had an absolutely brilliant day, haven't we?
It's been fantastic, but we are really, really tired now. My legs are killing.
If you can, try and do Disney over 2 days, because it means you can come and go as much as you like, take plenty of rest, things like that. We've done it in 1 day, haven't we?
Yeah, probably a bit too much, but at least the kids will sleep tonight.
Yeah, we're aching all over, but it's been absolutely brilliant. If you've loved this video though, please like it, drop us a comment below, and obviously hit the subscribe button as well.
But until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.